Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your returns in the Trendyol app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trendyol app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu, where we have different kinds of deals, sales for example. Find here some pants, some things. We have some offers as well. But from this menu, we have to go and tap on the little person icon in the bottom right corner. And then in the overview section, which we find here, we have the My Returns little button. If we tap on this, then we can check what kinds of articles we have returned and thereby find out what we once ordered and now no longer have. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.